Hey guys, I'm at Lowe's. Been seeing a lot. I have a ton of Craftsman Tools. I know with Sears going bankrupt late 2019, it was very hard to replace anything that was broken. So I have a couple ratchets here that I'm going to take in and see if they'll actually exchange. And I also have a socket that is completely, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's split down the end right there. Huge crack all the way down. So I'm going to see if they'll go ahead and replace it. I'm not going to record or anything, so I'm just going to give you guys an update if they end up doing it or not. Stay tuned. Hey, wanted to go ahead and update you. I just got out of Lowe's. Fairly simple. I mean, I'll go ahead and pull the receipt out real quick. They went ahead and they exchanged all my tools, no questions asked. Go ahead and I'll try to block out some of the details on here real quick. Give me one sec. So right here, you can see $78.58 transaction, $29.29 or $29.98, $17.98, $19.98, and $4.48 for a total of $78.58 after tax. What was really impressive about the whole thing is obviously they replaced the tools that they had, but I did have, I wanted to point this out. Here's one right here. So 3/8 ratchet. Go ahead and keep pulling these out. I had a 1/4-inch ratchet as well. Those two were identical to the ones that I brought in. I did bring in an older 3/8 ratchet as well, and they gave me the updated chrome one, which was pretty freaking sweet. It's got the mini head. And then I got my new socket as well from the one that was cracked. So, I mean, obviously, Lowe's took on that responsibility when they purchased Craftsman outright. But I'm honestly shocked at how well their customer service was on that. They, no hesitant, told me to go in, grab the tools, and they rang them up. It was weird. They rang them up, and then they charged like a gift card as the transaction tender, but whatever works, it works. I know a lot of people with Sears were having trouble swapping out their tools at the end of Sears run. So I just wanted to go ahead and point that out. If you have Craftsman Tools, don't take advantage of the system. The guy did say that a lot of people are trying to come in with hundreds of dollars worth of tools, and those are the ones that they're more hesitant to do, it seems like. But if you have a couple ratchets laying around, some sockets, other tools, maybe even a toolbox, bring it in. They'll replace it. I'm very happy with the whole thing. Just wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update. This is Andrew. Later.